Hello, let's dive into the world of diecast cars and other hobbies together with your daddy, Diecast Daddy. Mga nakshi, today unbox tayo ng bagong dating natin sa collection pero takpan ko lang saglit yung video kasi baka ma-community tayo ito. Pero hindi ito official Hot Wheels series collection pero para sa akin, collection to kasi they ride on the same theme na parang playing cards. And while looking at this, surprisingly, meron palang regular treasure hunt dito. So, ayan. Let's go unbox natin. Uy, another box. Sana hindi to puro box. Pero excited ako dito sa collection na to kasi unang-una sabi ni seller, binalot niya to na parang gagamba. Magamba sa pospo. Let's hope hindi talaga siya gagamba. And whoa, what's this? Uy, hindi yung gagamba. Joke lang. May freebie tayo. And this freebie is Rigor. Nakalagay Rigor. Ay, hindi yung Rigor na yan. Hot Wheels tayo. This is the 2021 Hot Wheels Art Cars Rigor Motor. Ayan, letter I yung ibaba niya and meron siya parang coffin. Ganda, maraming salamat for the freebie. Lagay muna natin siya dito. And ito na yung tatlong nagamba. Let's open it up. Excited ako dito talaga sa tatlong to. This is a collection, no? No, para siyang playing cards, yung theme niya. Takpan ulit natin. Ayan, para di tayo ma-community. Siyempre, no? Since ito yung una, simulan na natin agad dun sa cream of the crop nito. This is a treasure hunt. Ayan, this is the custom 77 Dodge Van Jack of Hearts. Ayan, regular treasure hunt yan. And then the next one is syempre yung Queen, the 56 Ford truck, Queen of Hearts. Ganda, nice. Okay. Wow, so excited. And then the last one, actually meron na ako nito. Ayun siya, nandun sa may bandang likod. Pangalawa ko to, this is the 70s band Super Van King of Hearts. Yan, nice. Kompleto sila yung collection. Ganda, solid. Shoutout kay My Hero on Facebook for these cars and the freebie. Syempre, sobrang gustong-gusto ko tong trio na to. There you go. Don't forget to like and follow. And always remember to be kind. Happy hunting. Again, this is your daddy, Diecast Daddy.